All right, in these examples, we're going to find our slope using the slope formula, but you're going to see that some special cases kind of come out of this. So first we've got our x1 and our y1 and our x2 and our y2. So we find our slope using the slope formula, y2 minus y1, so 9 minus 4, over x2 minus x1, 2 minus 2. 9 minus 4 is 5, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is a special case because that 0 showed up in our fraction. Now, you may remember that in math you cannot divide by 0. So if 0 is ever the bottom number, we're going to write an answer of undefined. So what does this mean on a graph? What does an undefined slope look like? Well, if we think about those ordered pairs, I'll just do a sketch of this. You guys should do a sketch too. If I go over 2, up 4, there's our first point. And the other one is over 2, up 9, up there. And if I draw the line that goes through those, what kind of line am I drawing? You can see this is a vertical line. Vertical lines will always have an undefined slope. You'll notice the x values are always the same, so when you do your x2 minus x1 in the denominator of a fraction, you get 0 as an answer, which gives you that undefined slope because you can't divide by it. And then just a reminder, anytime you do have a vertical line, it's always x equals some number. In this case, x equals 2 would be the equation of that line, but the slope is undefined. All right, next example, we will find the slope again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So slope formula is slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 2 minus 2 is 0, and negative 5 minus 5 is a negative 10. So here is the 0 showing up again in our fraction. This time it's in the numerator, and that's okay for 0 to be in the numerator. 0 divided by any number is going to equal 0. So what does this look like? So if we just do a quick sketch of our 2 points, I already forgot what they are, over 5, up 2, there's 1 point, and then the other one is negative 5, 2. So we're going to go 5 to the left and up 2. And if you draw the line that's connecting these, you can see that we are getting a horizontal line. So all horizontal lines have a slope of 0. And if you remember, the equation for a horizontal line is always going to be y equals, and then this one is passing through that y-axis at 2, so y equals 2. But the slope is 0, and if you look at the original points, you might be able to spot that we were heading this way because you can see the y values are the same.